In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your chords sound unique.
So let's dive right in.
Alright, hey, what's up? How's it going? So as you can see, I just played few chords. G, A minor, then we have C major, G major, right? So both simple chords, sobe bajabo pare, G, tarpisot, A minor, C, right? So sobe to etu position bajabo jane. So what you can do to spice up your playing a little bit, you can try adding all different chord voicings, right? So this is G, but another inversion. Then A minor. C. Back to G. Okay, so I'll play the normal chords first. So much. Alright, so learn your chords, learn all different shapes, and just by adding notes here and there, you can spice up your chord sound. See, so I was playing G all the time, but I was just changing the notes here and there. See, suppose if I play this, I can shift these two fingers and it will sound different. Right? Can you hear the difference? So the first one is right? And the second one, just shift. Right, then you can go to A minor. You can play A7 here as well. Right, then C. Alright guys, so that was G major, A minor, C major. But just by changing the notes here and there, you guys can try out different chord progressions. So instead of playing like this, play like this. Or like, you can do any other voicing. So if I change it's a totally different tone. Now and for A minor, I can play this. I can play this as well. And for the C, you can play it like this. You can go to D if you want. Okay, so if I play some grooves with the normal chords, it will sound something like this. Right, A minor. Right, so I can play something like this. Back to G. Right, so if you see the notes, all my notes are here. This is G and this is A. You can play like this as well. I'm going to C. Or you can play the same thing as G, but lower the middle finger. Right, so just by changing this finger, you can play two chords. So this is G, C. You can lift your pinky. Right? So just by changing few notes here and there, you can create totally different chords. Alright, so that's about it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.